and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing nice today. This is Ratna again. Wish you a very happy Diwali. On this occasion, I'm going to make coconut barfi. So to a pot, we will add 3 cups of shredded coconut and then 2 cups of sugar followed by half cup milk. Now we will combine everything and cover and cook on medium-low flame until all the sugar melts. Once done, we'll go ahead and add the final ingredient, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, and mix it well. We'll continuously stir it to prevent burn, and we can stop cooking when the barfi leaves the sides of the pot. We can take a square container and grease it with ghee or clarified butter, and we'll transfer the barfi to this container and compact it and let it set for 10 minutes. While warm, we can cut it into squares and serve. Coconut barfi is ready. Please do make it when you get time. Thank you for watching. That's all in today's segment. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel notifications, press the bell icon. See you next time. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.